nawala yung phone.
Wala, yung double decker na bus sinasabi.
Wala, double decker na bus. Ayun yung go bus, yan sasakyan natin eh. Kung magko-commute tayo, yan ito yung dapat yun.
Sabi?
Yes, yan yun, pupunta Toronto. Yan o, ganyan tayo dapat o. Wala akong tao masyado, ay may tao din. Yan
Kaya
dapat.
nga ulo kasi marami tayong luggage.
Hindi, madami naman lagayan eh. Sa ilalim, parang G-liner. No. Dami.
Pero pa ako sa G-liner dati yan.
G-liner.
Pero nandun no.
Marami yan.
Hirap naman yung
Hindi mo
G-liner.
makita.
Hirap naman kasi yung G-liner mo.
G-liner. Parang Florida din yun ah.
Tutulog tayo.
Gano gas mo? $100? Ay, grabe ka na. $100 daw. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin magkano pa kasi doon. Wala natin. Wala yan na. $26 na guys. Mahal pala ng gas sa Canada. O, 31 lang eh. Huwag ka na eh. Ano mo? Ano na takot. Kala niya 100 guys.
So yung basketball doon talaga sa kabila.
Di ba dito ang basketball dito? Dito kasi yung
Oh, lamig na. We feel it, kuya. It's getting cold. Oh, yan yung go. Ah. Kung mag-train, ito yung lilipatan namin. Oh, so that's the replace. Sharks.
Mom, it's shark. It's sharks, not shark.
Oh, look at that. Hey. 360.
It will take us 58 seconds to reach up there, and you're going 114 floors high.
Oh my gosh, 114 for 58 seconds, and I can feel it on my ears. Oh,
Yes.
the air pressure. Yeah, I can feel it now.
Look.
There's the lake, there's the lake.
Where?
There, there's the bridge, see?
Oh. The whole thing there, which is black, it's lake.
Oh, wow. Oh, we're here. Ooh. My ears pop. Here, are you good? Your ears good?
Enjoy the view, guys.
Oh, thank you. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ala, kuya.
Oh my God.
Look at that. Oh. Kiki. Okay. Ivan.
Pag dito tayo pakawal ba? Dito na pwede.
Halika na, baka yung
Happy
bata mag...
birthday, madam.
Thank you. Let's go. Aha. Halika na. Welcome na sa hilo si Daddy.
Hey, welcome back to the elevator. Your view is going to be like this way. We are facing the
not here?
north side.
Oh.
Oh
Oh.
my gosh.
Any question, let me know. You can come in front and take a closer look.
Uh-huh.
It's at 58 seconds right now. We are traveling 22 kilometers per hour, roughly 15 miles.
Wow, 15 miles per hour. Okay, okay, my love?
I can
Look
feel
at
it
that,
in my
guys.
ears.
Elevator, guys.
How many years is the CN Tower now?
They started it in 1973 and in 1976 they opened it.
Okay, 1976.
So almost 50.
Yeah, almost 50 years. Yeah, wow. Oh, it's going down. You okay? Okay. You see the floor? Yay.
I'm gonna pop my ears at the bottom.
Yeah.
Boom.
For coming.
Let's go, let's go. Oy, grabe
Tuloy
yung
po
mukha
kayo.
mo.
Ma'am,
Sarap mainit.
Ming, gamitin na tong card mo. Ano mo ba?